Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope everyone is doing great, and if you're here for the first time, I am Grace H2o, and today's video is all about how to do facial at home, and I'm gonna use Oriflame product, Love Nature from Oriflame. But before we proceed, let me tie my hair properly so that it won't get disturbed later on to my face. Okay, so I am ready now, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to apply the products. So the first thing I'm gonna use is a cleansing cream, and it's not necessary that you have to use Oriflame product. You can use any other product as you like to that suits your skin. Massage it for 4 to 5 minutes. After massaging, use a wet cotton pad to wipe it off. So the second step is scrubbing. Okay, so you can scrub it for 1 minute. 1 minute is enough for scrubbing. Okay, so now the third step is massage, and this is the main part for facial. Massaging is the main part for facial, so apply it all over your face and neck and massage it for like 10 minutes. Massage it gently. So after massaging, I'm gonna apply face mask. Okay, so after applying face mask, you can leave it for 10 minutes. Let it dry. Okay, so it's already 10 minutes and it is dried already, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, so it's done and you can see the result. This is the result. Yeah guys, it's just a 4 simple step which you can just do at home by yourself instead of going to parlor and spend lots of money. Yeah, in parlor they really do well, but you know, as we all know, that it costs a lot of money. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye bye.